An Albuquerque nursing home threw a cookout to honor staff for the work that they had done keeping the coronavirus out of their facility. Now that facility has been hit by an outbreak, and concerned residents there want to know why the staff gathered for that barbecue. News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart got answers.
The photos may seem innocent enough. Staffers at Princeton Place Nursing Home in Albuquerque hosting a cookout to commend their hard work caring for some of New Mexico's most vulnerable population throughout the pandemic.
Everyone eating together and sitting too near each other, not wearing masks.
A concerned citizen with ties to the 5-story facility by the fairgrounds doesn't want to be identified, but calls the gathering reckless. Photos from the cookout were posted on Facebook June 11th. At the time, Princeton Place was believed to be COVID-free. 5 days later, June 16th, the nursing home reported its first positive case. To date, 23 residents and 14 employees have tested positive for the virus.
Certainly understand why there would be anxiety around it. We're trying to balance both making sure that patients are getting the social engagement that they need, as well as the employees.
Eric Tanner is the CEO of On Point, the Texas-based company that manages Princeton Place.
The unfortunate reality of this situation, there's a high likelihood that COVID-19 will get into a nursing home, just like there's a high likelihood that it'll get in other places.
Tanner believes through contact tracing, they've identified an asymptomatic staffer who likely brought the first COVID case to Princeton Place and says that person was not at the cookout.
We know exactly how vulnerable this population is.
He points out the nursing home of about 300 workers and 300 residents has been doing regular testing and stayed COVID-free for months, calling Princeton staff heroes.
I'm consistently overwhelmed by their courage, their bravery, their love of one another, and their love for others, because it's not an easy job.
Those who've tested positive are isolated, he says. Workers are taking proper precautions with PPE, and gatherings like this won't be happening again anytime soon.
And we're praying and we're thinking and we're hoping for the best.
Gabrielle Burkhart, KRQE News 13.
Princeton Place says as of today, none of their confirmed COVID-19 patients has had to be hospitalized. The nursing home is working with the State Department of Health on continued COVID-19 testing for everyone at the facility.